Sequential LED taillights from Keys Motorsports.
Woo! Oh, dang.
That looks sick.
So these are like the GTS. The only car that came with these taillights is the M4 GTS. So it never came on an M3.
It does now. All right, taillights are in. It is finally time for us to test them. Let me see them, let me see them.
Ready? We're gonna hit the unlock button. 3, 2, 1.
Boom! Damn, that's what's up. That's dope. What?
Oh, it's got a whole like sequence to it.
Quinn, what do we have here, brother? We have a mix of performance parts that are gonna be going on today. We have a ton of maintenance items, and we've got some beautiful dress-up bits.
We have new secondary radiators, a new oil cooler, a DCT cooler, and some Bosch maintenance parts, and a variety of engine dress-up bits.